A lot of people have asked me for a tour of my office, so I'm going to give you this quick tour here. If you walk into my office here, you're going to be greeted with a ton of Star Wars stuff. The top 4 shelves are Star Wars here, as you can see. And then the bottom shelf, I have just a few 90s stuff, such as Back to the Future, Ghostbusters, Nintendo, and Batman. Over here to the left of my first makerspace, this is a Bambu A1 Mini, and it is printing a Death Star with legs right now. It is connected to the A1 combo. Over here, I have the newest addition to my office. It was my main monitor, but now it is a TV sitting in the desk here, and I can use it for gaming. But primarily right now, it's just kind of keep an eye on MakerDeck. MakerDeck is a 24/7 stream of makers. You can see what everybody's printing. As you can see, I am streaming right there on it right now from my A1 Mini. Over here, I have my VR headset. This is an Oculus. I think it's the 2nd generation. And yeah, I play Tetris mostly on it. Over here is my secondary monitor. This monitors my cameras. And then also at the top, I'm monitoring the MakerDeck stream through StreamYards. This is my main setup here. So this is a BenQ 4K monitor that I use here now. And this was my TV that you just saw a minute ago. I have 2 speakers here, monitors that I use. I also have a keyboard, a mechanical keyboard that I use. I'm using the CalDigit dock down there, as you can see, to connect and power everything with one cable. This is my Secret Labs chair, and I use this to sit in my chair, obviously. It is Star Wars. Underneath this skin, it is a Stormtrooper chair, but I opted to get the skin for it, the Jedi skin, when it came out. Over here, I have a Shure microphone that I use for podcasting and talking on video chats or whatever. This is the newest addition to my office here. So this holds my MacBook for both my work and personal. And it's just easy to connect quickly and move between one MacBook to another. Over here is my next makerspace. This is the newest 3D printer I have. This is the Bambu A1 connected to the Combo Light. And below this, I have also filaments here as well. I'm currently printing a rose with legs on it for Valentine's Day. Over here, I have just some more Star Wars stuff. This is my droid shelf. This is, some of it is 3D printed. A lot of it is Funkos. And then I have a bag up there as well. But that is my droid shelf. Over here, I also have some other stuff on this Alex drawer here. And then this is my couch. It's from CB2. And I can just sit on here and watch TV, or I can just sit on here and admire my Star Wars stuff or read anything. So that's my space. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more or you have any questions, let me know.